So what are some great ways to reduce chronic fatigue? They're fairly simple, okay? You just have to be consistent. Make sure you get quality sleep 7 to 8 hours a day. Try to focus on a diet that's not extremely inflammatory, so staying away from the processed foods and the fried foods is a very good idea. Making sure that you're getting plenty of sunlight and vitamin D throughout the day, ideally 15 to 30 minutes per day. Making sure that you're just moving your body, getting good quality exercise, 30 to 45 minutes out of the day. All of these things can reset your body to do what you want it to do and to be more effective in getting sleep and waking up from sleep so that you can go out and conquer your day.